Thank you so much for joining us into today's live stream. For those that don't know who I am, my name is Guna. So I've been trading for over 3 years now, and what I do in my live streams, especially my YouTube page, is I share with you guys as much information pertaining to price action, and I also give you guys any trading ideas, trading concepts, especially trading opportunities that I am personally planning to take on the day. So if that sounds interesting, guys, sit back, relax. Let's get right into today's session. So today will be interesting a bit because there is an opportunity for gold. Personally, all right, I do believe these are the targets that gold is moving towards. Okay, to take out. However, personally, I would prefer price to come back into the zone for a potential entry opportunity lah. Okay, so I'm letting you guys know the direction of buyers. For me right now, I see bulls are present in the market, so I am predicting for move towards the upside. This personally lah. Okay, definitely price can go other ways. That's trading, but personally, from my point of view, I feel we are more interested to move towards the upside. I would just like to see price come back inside of this level or at least close by to this level so that I personally can find an entry opportunity. Nevertheless, for gold, I'm overall focusing for buys. Okay, so that's for the gold side. So I want to start off with updates first. Okay, so let's start off with crypto side. We always start with forex this week. Okay, so crypto side, this one I can remove. I take picture already. Okay, so yesterday we analyzed this potential selling opportunity. Okay, selling model. Overall, okay, I am still very bearish for ETH, but there is some shift in the market, okay, in certain time frames whereby bulls are actually present. Okay, the moment when we come reach to this level, bulls kind of stepped inside of the market as of now. So that explains a lot why these long wicks, which we spoke about in yesterday live stream, you guys can watch yesterday live stream if you like, why these long wicks are populating, especially in Dogecoins. Yeah, Dogecoin. Same thing, no. Dogecoin is the same. Bulls are present after this move up. So this one here, all of these long wicks, right? Yesterday we couldn't really get a very clear picture, but today the picture is much more clearer lah. Okay, because I start to see bulls are present in the market as of now. Even though we took out the target, I was predicting for a move even more towards the downside because that's what I believe the overall bias for now, ETH and Dogecoin, BTC, Solana as well, is more towards the sell side compared to buy side. So this zone is still valid. Okay, I'm not going to remove the zone, but I will be very cautious in entering this for now. So personally, I will know by 10 o'clock at least lah if we will be bearish or will be bullish. If by 10 o'clock I see we are bearish, I will be there's a very high probability I'll be entering for crypto side. I'm not sure which one yet because ETH is close by the zone. BTC is inside the zone, which is something I like a lot. Solana is also inside the zone and trade a little bit. Also something I like a lot. So there are two other crypto spaces besides ETH. Dogecoin, a bit not really in the zone lah. Okay, so Dogecoin is out of the picture. Doesn't mean it's a bad opportunity. It's just something more preferable lah. In my personal preference is BTC and Solana. But I'm not entering. I didn't enter yet because, like I said, all of them have shown signs of bulls, which is why we can explain these long wicks. Yesterday we couldn't see them. Today we can see them. Okay. So I will update you guys if I were to enter any crypto site. Okay, in my Instagram. Huh? So that's for the crypto space. Overall, I am bearish for ETH, BTC, Solana, but I'm not entering because bulls are currently present. If this zone gets disrespected, okay, in any way for either one of them, then I may reconsider. Tomorrow, I'll find out. Okay, I'm holding off all trades now. This is an opportunity that is about to arise, traders. So Euro JPY, I'm focusing on a bullish opportunity, a bullish move towards upside. I do find a zone available here. Okay, you can see it. It's quite clear. So I am essentially right now waiting because price, I want it to come back inside one more time. You can see it here. I want price to come back inside one more time. It is coming down, which is good. I want it to come inside and then show me potential bullish momentum move towards the upside. So if this happens, I will be focusing on buying opportunities for Euro JPY. So essentially what am I looking for? This. Of course, the arrow could be a lot prettier, but this is essentially my trading idea lah. I'm not focusing even higher than that. I am focusing mostly on these two liquidity, closest liquidity. The reason being is because this is a good bullish opportunity, but not a great one, because not every multi-time frame analysis is showing me bulls, but the ones that are important based on the way how I trade, they are showing me bulls. So it's good enough for me. Definitely, I will need to wait and see for price to come back inside the zone and show me that potential bullish opportunity. Nevertheless, for your JPY, I'm focusing on buying opportunities to these liquidities above. Okay, so that's Euro. There, see, alert on already Euro JPY because we're coming down. Okay, so probably you guys will be able to see me enter this. Let's see. Okay, actually no lah, because I need to wait certain time frame. I now 9:30, so I will only understand it by 10 or 10:30 only if I can enter based on certain time frames lah. Because I will have to refer to all of these smaller time frames, and you guys understand right? Each of the time frame, if 1 hour means 1 hour only one candle will close. So you imagine like 1 minute, okay lah, every 1 minute candle will close. 5 minute means two candle is already 10 minutes. 15 minute means two candle half an hour. 30 minutes to candle means 1 hour. So I will find an entry most probably by 10 or 10:30 if the market allows it. And if the market respects this level, okay, it doesn't go below a little bit also. If it goes below a little bit, something like this, see, if it pokes this level, the zone is not valid. All right. So overall, my bias for Euro JPY is towards the upside. I will be focusing on this. There are more opportunities. NZD JPY. Okay, so this one I want to show you. Yesterday we were focusing on selling opportunities. Okay, this zone was not meant for a bullish opportunity. This is meant for selling opportunity. So essentially, price come back to this level. Okay, if we move down a bit and then we shoot all the way towards the upside. Okay, we didn't respect this level. So the zone was here and we didn't respect it. So yesterday we were bearish, but right now I see bulls are currently present. But again, not the greatest opportunity, I would say, but definitely bulls are present. So I did just mark off one target point. This is only for study purpose. I'm not going to enter for NZD/JPY because overall my bias is still moving down. Okay, for now, still moving down. And then today is Thursday already. I prefer not to enter like these trades lah. I like to see the trades that, for example, from Monday, it is moving in a certain direction based on who we understand was in control, and then it's continuing that direction. Those are the trades that I like personally. This one, even though I'm seeing bulls, I do have a prediction whereby we may reach this target here, but I personally will not enter this just because of like what I said. I like to see from the starting of the week who we able to identify were in control and who was able to hold that control. Okay, today is Thursday already, so by right they should be able to hold that control. Suddenly shift in between, a little bit sketchy for me because that can also mean okay we can probably move in sideways momentum here only. We could probably just keep doing this. Definitely not moving like this. This is insane, but you get the picture, lah. NZD/USD. Okay, so this one, I thought I'd draw something already this now. Okay, so this one, right? Also same thing. Oh, there it is. Okay, load very slow. Okay, so this one, I'm still bearish. I just want to show you this was the zone that we highlighted yesterday for this potential selling opportunity. Okay, so when we analyze, price was here, this level here. So price came up all the way and closed above this zone. So the moment this happened, this zone is invalidated. Okay, so nevertheless, even though this zone is invalidated, let me remove it so it'll be a little bit more clearer. Okay, even though this zone is invalidated, I am still focusing on potential selling opportunities because overall my bias is still towards the downside. Let me remove these ones. All these ones, all targets, all taken out already. Okay, I'm still focusing on overall sales. I'm just waiting for alignment for bears to finally kick in the market again. Okay, this is just my opinion. GBP NZD. Okay, so this one, very beautiful already. Price is right now inside of the zone. However, I did not see bears come inside the market yet. Okay, yesterday I almost entered for this one, but following my criteria, I stick to my SOP. I don't like when price just tap the zone. You guys know me. This one is okay. See, price is trading inside the zone. This is what I like. That is why I told you for crypto space, even though I see bulls currently present, that's why I'm holding off. But why I prefer BTC and Solana besides Dogecoin and ETH? Because they only tap the zone. You see BTC? He's trading inside the zone, which is what I love to see. See, Solana is trading inside the zone, which is what I love to see. So coming back to which one will we? This one, yes, GBP This one is what I prefer. Okay, trading. We are trading inside the zone compared to these touches here. Again, we went through examples yesterday. Tapping the zone alone does not mean is less powerful compared to trading inside the zone. Sometimes this tapping is very powerful already. Okay, it really depends on the power of bears or bulls that are present inside of certain areas. For example, let's say a very powerful bears lah, because bears is moving down, we are focusing on cells, but they are present inside the zone. Very powerful, lah. Okay, this can happen. Show you. Price can move down. Tap a bit, straight away push down. Okay, let me move this aside, then you can see. Here. This can happen. Imagine this is the zone here. Okay, imagine this is the zone here. Price can literally just touch it and then immediately fly. This can happen. Because why? They are extremely powerful bears. Okay, so personally, yes, it may sound like, but Guna, if like that means, right, shouldn't you focus on those type of trades whereby we are trading with extremely strong bears or extremely strong bulls? You're correct. You are extremely correct. But we are not able to know how strong is the bears or bull until the move happen. You see, so sometimes it tap and then it already move away already, but we won't really know. So that's why I choose personally, besides just tapping the zone, I would like to see price trade inside it, show me bearish momentum that they are still interested, and then move price lower. Okay. I know I told you guys I got targets here, liquidity, right? For the trend line liquidity. But if I were to enter, which I'm not right now because I still see bulls and not alignment, I only go for 1 to 3, guys. Okay, maybe 1 to 4 lah, if I get entry here because the liquidity ranges here is very close by. So this is good 1 to 4. Even though I have a kind of a prediction that you can go to this level, almost 1 to 11, would I be holding all the way to this part here? No, because I don't like swap fee. CADJPY, okay, we have alarm CADJPY. So overall, I'm bearish, but I still need to see how the zone holds because right now bulls are still present. So let's go to CADJPY for a while. Okay, nice. So currently we are inside of the zone. Okay, CADJPY. This one I keep highlighting to you guys. Overall, I am bullish. Wait, let me check. Let me check. Okay, CADJPY is alright. Overall, I am bullish, but right now, bears still came inside the market today only. Okay, in certain time frame. So I will still wait for this one to see how the zone holds. Okay, if I start to see bullish momentum, very good bullish momentum, then I have a high probability to enter for buying model for CADJPY because I am focusing on buying opportunities for CADJPY. I just need to wait and see how he will react inside the zone. For me, everything is reaction, traders. It should be for you also. Don't blindly enter just because he come inside the zone. Okay, that's not trading, that's gambling. So when it comes inside the zone, what is your understanding of price action? What is your understanding in terms of what price should do? Wow, based on your experience in trading, how price should react? Okay, play out your trades based on this stuff, not based on just what you see. Okay, you cannot just based on, okay, you come in the zone, let's enter. Oh, order block here, enter. Oh, support resistance, enter. Cannot just blindly trading. I'm not saying those ideas or those trading concepts don't work. They definitely work if you use them correctly. Okay, so don't simply use them. Don't blindly use them. Really watch how price react. Okay, I always say this: only react when the market does the same. If the market reacts, then we react. I'm not saying chase, it's a very different thing. I don't chase the market. Okay, so you see, I'm still waiting for this one for alignment. I want to see how the zone holds. If the zone doesn't hold for this one, it's okay. I have another zone here, but same thing. You see. Okay, good example. Look at this. I am still overall bearish at this one. Can you see? It went above. It never closed, but it does not matter. This zone is invalidated. Okay, but we do have another one lah for this case. Okay, we do have another zone here. This one price just tapped inside the zone. So I still am bearish. I never changed my bias yet. It will depend on how price when it come inside. It did kind of show us our bearish prediction already. Then we move all the way down. This is very good already. But overall, I still see bears. Okay, I need to wait and see how this zone hold. If this zone doesn't hold, if it breaks above, then probably we will start to see a shift in the market. As of now, I'm still very bearish for GBP CAD. Same, GBP NZD, I will see how the zone hold or not. If the zone doesn't hold, I will find another one if there is any, and then I will remain and see if really bear still interested to move the market down or not. Okay. Moving on, GBP AUD. Okay, so GBP AUD on and off, on and off, on and off. Okay, is a kind of sideways moving already. So I am still bearish. Okay, the zone is still holding. Personally, I would stay away from GBP AUD. The only reason being is not because it's not working. Definitely no, it is working. You see, we did move down all the way to this level. We come here, move down, come here, move down. We are from here, move down, move down, move down. We are bearish. We can see bears trying their best, but bulls are actually quite strong also. Okay, there are certain time frames where bulls are present, same like the other GBP. Okay, GBPs, if you may. I'm just waiting right now to see if price come inside this level, will we start to see that shift or not? Even here, we never see that shift, Okay, that's why I didn't enter this, but we never see this shift. So let's wait and see. Euro NZD, this one is okay. Overall, still bullish, waiting for alignment. So this one we had a bullish prediction on Monday. So we went beautifully all the way to the target, but I do have a second target point here. So I am waiting for this next bullish run. Probably we may see it because it's already happening, but bulls are not present yet. Okay, right now actually bears are present. So I need to wait for price to move a little bit more for me to finally understand. Okay, you know what? Right now probably is a good idea to focus on buys, but also I need to wait for my zone. But overall, I am bullish for Euro NZD towards these liquidities above. Okay, CDJPY, you don't know what I'm just waiting for alignment. Right now, bears come in. I want to see how when it comes inside the zone. Euro GBP. Okay, so we are now bullish. This one overall, we were waiting for this bullish momentum. Okay, on Monday itself, we were waiting for bullish momentum here. Because overall we were bullish, but bears were present. So we made that shift already. Okay, on Wednesday, which is yesterday. But right now, I'm waiting for a zone. We are already bullish. We are close by our ultimate target. I can't see a zone yet. Okay, I can see we are a bit struggling because why we're struggling is so bears are present in certain time frame right now. So that's what I'm waiting right now. No, sorry. This one bulls are already present. I'm just waiting for a zone. Sorry. This one is already bulls are available, but there's no zone. I would not want to see price come all the way to this zone. If this happen, we shift ready. We are bearish. We're not bullish anymore because this is such a stretch. Okay, I don't want to see that much of a stretch. I just want to be primarily focusing on buying opportunities after the zone arise, but I'm focusing primarily on buying opportunities for Euro GBP. Hello, sir. Hello, YY. Thank you so much for joining today's live stream. Okay, goal I highlight to you already, right? Okay, I'm focusing on buys. Fingers crossed. It will come down a bit so I can get an entry. But I'm focusing on buys towards these liquidity levels above. The rest I already went through. Traders, I don't see much of an opportunity. That's why I won't be speaking about them. Okay, I only want to share with you guys the ones that I believe we have opportunities. Okay, so you see this one here. We went down inside. Okay. Okay, not enough for me. I need to wait a bit more. This is similar to just tapping the zone lah. Okay, but I am bullish for Euro JPY for sure because I do see bullish opportunity. Not a great one, like I said, but it is a good bullish opportunity. So let me see. Let me see. Later I'll find. Like I said, 10 or 10:30. Most probably I can find a potential opportunity for Euro JPY. That's what I'm focusing on for buys. NZD JPY. This is just for study purpose. Okay, right now bulls start to shift in the market. I will just wait and see how this one plays out. I'm not focusing on this. NZD USD. Okay, overall I'm still bearish. I'm just waiting for alignment. GBP NZD. I'm still overall bearish, but I need to see how this zone holds. Let me see if I can find another one for you guys. Because I worry if the zone, let's say, break, then you guys might say, then where's the next zone? wait. Let me try to find one. Okay, I guess we can consider this one here. Okay, we can consider this zone here, but this zone is not that fresh. Okay, but just remember these levels lah. I tap this and see that. 2.32111 and then 2.31519. Okay, so just remember these levels here. So that is another zone, not very fresh zone. I would prefer to focus on only fresh zones, but definitely it is still a zone. So I will not put that here first because too messy. I don't like messy charts. I'll get stressed. You see this one, this much also sometimes I feel a bit messy already. I get GBBCAD. Overall, I'm focusing on sales. The first zone got not respected, but we still have the previous zone waiting above. This one is considered fresh for me because we only tap, we never trade inside. GBBAUD. This one is moving sideways. I would personally not be interested in this anymore because we are moving sideways, but overall, I'm focusing on sales. Euro NZD. I'm bullish. I'm just waiting for alignment because bears are currently present in certain time frames. CDJPY, same thing. I am bullish overall, but bears have been present in certain time frames that may shift once we come inside of this zone, which I'm hoping for. If that happens, I'll be focusing on buying opportunities. Let me put this over here. Let's see if we respect the zone or not. If it doesn't, then I will stay away. Let's go 1 to 4. This one. We can go until here. Actually. Okay, this is now my entry. I will see first how this zone will hold or not. Euro GBP, overall bullish, waiting for a zone. Gold, I am bullish. Hope I can get an entry, but these are my targets above. Okay, for Euro crypto space, just to go through again, overall bearish, but right now bears are currently present in certain time frames. So personally, I will wait out first and see if bulls are blah 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 blah. Sorry, rephrase. For ETH, we are overall focusing on sales, but bulls are currently present in certain time frames. I need to see that shift whereby bears start to come in the market, then I can focus on sales because primarily I'm focusing on sales. Dogecoin, I'm primarily focusing on sales, but I'm not interested in Dogecoin or ETH because they never come inside the zone. BTC, we are already trading inside the zone, which is beautiful, what I really like. I just need to wait because again, bulls are present in certain time frames. I need to see bears come in. Then only I can focus on sell. Same thing for Solana. We are trading inside the zone, which is beautiful, but bulls are currently present in certain time frames. I need to see bears start to step in the market. You see this powerful bull candle. Bears need to step in the market for me to potentially find the entry opportunity. By 10 o'clock, I will understand. Okay? So let's see. I'll update you guys lah. Oh, sorry guys, I never see the chat. Been watching your previous videos and still trying to get the hang of it. No worries, I appreciate you actually watching them. You can ask any questions, I'll be more than happy to answer. But it's very helpful and easy to understand so far. Thank you. I appreciate that so much. Thank you so much. Hi teacher. Hello. Happy learning teacher. I learn smile. That's so nice. Hey, pro trader. Yay. Hi, I'm late. You are never late. You always on time, man. Pro people like this. Mel, hi sir. Hello, Mel. Thank you so much for joining. Okay, I like every time when you guys join, somehow I'm already going to end the live stream. I think I should do longer live streams. It's not you. It's not any of you guys. It's me. Okay, so traders, I will be ending the live stream here because primarily I want to be focusing on the Euro JPY potential buy. Okay, but I need to see lah. I want price to come inside a bit. This is not enough. And then, like I said, 10 or 10:30, I will understand if I can focus on buys or not. I don't want, if price come and poke below this level, this zone is invalidated, I'm not going to enter. So far for today, Euro JPY, I'm focusing on BTC, Solana. This one also, but you can see, right, like I said, bulls are currently present in certain time frames. Overall, I'm still very bearish, but looks like this zone will be invalidated based on how price is moving. You can see very, very high probability that this zone won't be respected and price will come and poke this level. But it's not a bad thing, okay? Because if it poke this level, it doesn't matter. We should still be primarily focusing on sales, okay? We do have targets all below. We just need to find another zone. We can change alignment whereby suddenly bulls can also start to take power. But if that happens on a Friday, I won't be focusing on GBP and NZD because like I said, personally, I would like to focus on who really was able to take the market from Monday and hold it on at least up to Friday. So if suddenly I see a shift, that means it's not an entry opportunity for me this week, but definitely for next week. It is a pre-setup for next week. So this is still a good opportunity. Maybe not for this week, but probably next week. Okay, so this is the same thing. You see what I mean by when you can understand where is bulls and bears. It will make sure you don't enter simply. right? Because you see now, you see these very powerful moves up. That's not why we're highlighting. We didn't see these powerful moves up. That's the power of understanding who is in control. Okay, understanding who is in control and the bigger picture will let you know should you only be focusing on sales or only focusing on buys. This is what really changed my trading game lah. Knowing who is in control. If you guys would like to learn my own personal trading strategy and all right, you guys can also consider to reach out to me. I do have my WhatsApp link in the description below. I do have my own personal 6-week course whereby I take a personal trading journey with you. 6 weeks lah. Something that took me 3.5 years to learn. You guys can do it all in less than 2 months time. So essentially, after 6 week time, whatever I draw all my analysis, how to understand where is bulls and bears, like what I highlighted in this live stream, live I highlighted to you guys before it happened. How I understand my trading strategy. What is my trading strategy? What is my risk management plan? Everything you guys are able to learn within 6 weeks time. If you're interested, I do have my WhatsApp link in the description below. You can also reach out to my Instagram handle, which also the links are description below. Okay. I already buy EJ Power. You see, this is what a pro trader is like. Okay, yes, overall I'm also bullish, but for me not chala. Pro traders are very pro, and I'm also focusing on buys. I like I said, for me, most probably by 10 or 10:30, I would like to wait a little bit to understand. But I'm also primarily focusing on buys, optionally up to these two targets lah. The reason being is because it is a good bullish opportunity in my opinion. Not a great one, but a good one. Again, it's a good opportunity. So let's see. You pro trader. This is what the pro trader said to normal pro trader. It's like because they don't want to hurt our feelings. You so pro, you so pro. Okay, traders. I always have fun speaking to every single one of you. I will catch you all in the very next live stream. Please, please, please have a wonderful rest of the day. Okay, eat very nice dinner if you haven't eaten already. But definitely, if you guys are going to trade in the markets, remember be safe. Do not enter blindly. Only react when the market does the same. Okay, we are not trading blind. We are not trading just because it comes inside the zone. Let's enter. No, no such thing. Okay, once you enter the zone, remember your criteria, remember your SOPs, remember the market must react. If the market doesn't do anything, it doesn't react. For example, again, one more example before I end the live stream. Let's go to GBP. This one, okay? Is the market reacting? We are focusing on sales, right? Overall, is the market reacting for sell? This candle I can say lah, okay? But we didn't see any form of really bears, right? We're not reacting. We're just moving up. Do we do anything? No. We are inside the zone. What? We can enter what? But we're not doing anything because we're not seeing the market respect this level. We're not seeing reaction. Okay. So just be patient. I know very easy to press buy and sell. I know. I also like to do that. So just be very patient. It will definitely reward you in the long run. Long run doesn't mean 10 years you will see results. Okay. Doesn't mean that you can see results within a week or so if you're consistent. All right, traders. Again, I appreciate every single one of you. Have a wonderful rest of the day, and I'll catch you all in the very next live stream. Stay safe, traders, and a very good night. Goodbye, guys.